What started out as a $40 investment has turned into quite the hobby. I only paid about $40 for all those Legos. I've even washed, cleaned, organized, put some of the minifigures together. As you might tell, I have kids. Even built some of the bigger airplanes. And other bigger sets. But these ones are a little more cherished than the other ones. And these ones are older than some. I even have some that might be worth some money. One of my most favorite sets, though, has to be this triple-decker couch my son made.